Good morning and thank you for joining us on another adventure. Today we're heading back into the Victorian High Country. We're staying in a little town called Jamieson, but this time we're staying in a caravan park. I'm not sure how crowded it's going to be, so we may not be able to do too much filming, but anyway, we're really looking forward to the getaway and having a great weekend. Tomorrow we're going to head out for a drive up into the mountains and see what we can find. So yeah, come join us and I hope you enjoy it. There's our van, and this is the Jamieson River. It's beautiful. Last time we were here was not last winter, the winter before, for a four-wheel drive club trip up to Mount Skene, and the river was flowing much higher and much harder than it is today, but it's still beautiful, isn't it? Really pretty. Where are you going? Sun's just going down behind the trees, and it is so peaceful here. This is a great place if you've got kids. The kids have been walking upstream with their inner tubes and floating back down. I'm not sure if you can see, where am I? Just around about there. They've strung up a piece of rope across the river to catch them so that they don't keep going. It's been pretty cool watching them all afternoon. So tonight we're just having a Korean beef curry that I made at home. Some coconut rice, and I'm just going to heat up in the microwave. Okay, so this is the Korean beef curry that I prepared at home, and I've made it before and it's actually really nice. We're up here, yep, and we're thinking we'd really like to go to Mount Skene, which is up there, and see what it looks like without snow, because we've only been there in the snow. But we'd also really like to come down to Woods Point as well. So it's quite an iconic little place in the high country, so we're just trying to work out how we can do both tomorrow.
I'm not entirely sure what we're going to do here because we're two vehicles down.
So we're just watching some YouTube, and the dogs are absolutely out to it. Xena always sleeps up there by the door. I think she likes the breeze coming through. And Scooby is flat out down on the floor there. He'll get up on the couch during the night. Anyway, we'll see you in the morning. Good morning. Wow, it's a beautiful day out there. Puppies have been out for their breakfast and they're having their post-breakfast naps, as is somebody else. I'm just sitting in bed watching some YouTube until he wakes up. Then we'll have some breakfast and head off for the day. no-goings.
We're on, I ain't gonna make it.
Oh, I'm not sure if I can hold the camera still enough. We're at 1394. We've been up and down, contemplating climbing a tree so that we could make it to 1400. Have we made it yet?
And there you
Hey, 1400 metres.
go.
So we just called into Licola to fill up with fuel, and yeah, I cried all the way down that hill. It was so steep on my side, didn't enjoy it much, but anyway, here we are in Licola. Yeah, it's a lovely little town. We were here for our very first video about 12 months ago when we came up to Howard Plains and Howard Hut. So yeah. Because the lady in the shop saw that we had two shepherds, and she came across to the park where Rick had them out having a drink and gave them each a treat. So yeah, that was really lovely. Thank you to the Licola shop lady. So just coming back down the mountain, and here's a bathtub. When we were here in winter, this was full and flowing. It's empty now, but yeah, that was full and flowing, and there was water travelling down that side of the hill there, but I can hear a trickle. I can't see anything, but yeah, a bathtub on a mountain. There you go. Have a look at Percy. He was white once. Look at that dust. Ugh. Yeah, dust everywhere. Hello, buddy. Hello, baby boy. You're a good boy. Hey, you're a good man. Not nice for the Scooby. As you can see, life with two German shepherds is all about trying to find bed space. Well, this was a bit of a weird video. In true You, Me and the GSD style, not everything went quite to plan. We ended up with about a quarter of the footage that we actually filmed. So there was a whole range of stuff that we missed out on including in the video. But anyway, we had a really good weekend. We hope you enjoyed what we've cobbled together. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your ongoing support this year. Merry, Merry Christmas to everyone and a Happy New Year, and we'll see you on the next one.